everyone. Long time no see. It's good to see you all, or hopefully I'll get to see you soon. I hope you're doing good. I'm doing pretty good myself, and I want to hear from everybody. So we're going to start our online learning pretty soon, and hopefully we'll have chances to email me. I can call home. You can contact me in Google Form, or we could do a video chat like this. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about online learning over the next few weeks. So what online learning is going to look like. So you're going to have online work due starting this week, right? Due on April 10th. And it's going to keep happening until we go back to school on May 1st. Now that day could change, but for right now, that's when we plan to go back to school. All your assignments are going to be posted here on Google Classroom. And you can even click this link to kind of get a preview of what the week's going to look like. Assignments going to be posted at the beginning of the week, right? And then it's going to be due on Friday. You're going to get lots of chances to fix your work if you don't get it right the first time. So this is probably the thing you're wondering with all the craziness going on, right, is how can you pass the 8th grade? So you're going to do your online work for a grade every week. Try your hardest. Any work that you get done counts. And again, you can retry your work. You can do last week's work if you missed it, but try to make sure that you're doing work every week. We take attendance every week, and that could be anytime you contact us, do any assignment, email, phone call, all of that counts towards your attendance, which is really, really important. So we don't want to make things up later. Now, you will still have to record your backpack defense and turn it into your teachers. I'm going to make a video about that later, about how you can do your backpack defense still, but hopefully it'll be a little bit easier because now you get as many tries as you want. And you will graduate. I think almost all of you are going to move on to 9th grade if you can do those two things, right? Do your work, do your backpack. Right? Now, if you decide you don't want to do anything between now and the end of the school year, you might have to go to summer school. You might have to do makeup work in the fall. So let's not get there. Let's just do our stuff now. Okay? So if we do online classes, these are the things that we kind of expect from you. So make sure that you turn off your microphone unless you're talking. Right? You can type a question or ask someone to unmute you in the chat box. Right? Make sure your camera is off unless you need to talk. Headphones are really helpful for these, and there's a button on there that says CC, and it'll actually help you read the words that people are saying. And remember, just like in class, we expect to be polite, respectful, pay attention, and be school appropriate. Right? All of these meetings are going to be recorded. We're going to take screenshots, so please, please, please don't do anything that could get you in trouble. So what does trouble look like now that you're working from home? Right, well, you can be muted, so that means we turn off your microphone. You can be removed from our class, right, which again, you do need a pass. It's still important that you get your work done. We might have to call home, call your parents, or call someone in your family, and hopefully we don't have to do this for anybody, but your iPads can be remotely locked and turned off so you can't use them anymore. Same for Chromebooks or any other school devices, because remember, they belong to the school. They're not yours, so please make sure you're using them for your work. So hopefully that answered some of your big questions. If you have any more questions or you want to meet with me, maybe you're confused about the assignment, maybe you just have a lot of other questions, you can click this link right here and it will give you a form that you can fill out. You can also scan this with your QR code, and I'm going to paste this whole presentation online for you. Now, this form will give you a few options. So you'll be able to fill out if you want to get an email, if you want me to call you, if you want a video chat, and then you'll let me know how I can get in touch with you so that we can talk, however is best for you. So hopefully this will get you started for your first week of online learning, and that it's going to be a successful and easy transition because all of you have been doing really good so far, and I think you're going to keep doing well until we go back to school. So it was good seeing you. Let me know if you have any questions.